Simulator. How you doing, guys? So, okay, hey guys. So, today, yes, more Beast Rhyme Simulator. I forgot to turn down the quality. Sorry for the lag.
I'm making my own channel too. I'm gonna make my own channel.
Okay, now it's a little smoother. Sorry guys for the lag. So, I got 26 million honey. Earlier I was making a YouTube video about it until my internet went off. But, I am back, so... we're gonna try defeating the Mondo Chick at this time, even though it's like 22 seconds until it goes away. I'm gonna try defeating it this time, since I'm freaking stupid. Please, I need the freaking. Oh no, it got away! No. Okay, who has the gifted fuzzy bee? I heard that the pollinator thing.
Player will block. I'm gonna make it.
Oh, they made. Wait a second. They made the bees miss longer. Let's go, guys. You see this? They made bees miss longer. Yesterday it was like 16 days left. Now it's like what? 30 days. And this includes a guiding star? Yo, this is the best thing ever. First, they don't show it anymore. Like, not the Omega. Like, they used to show it with leaves around them. And then now, they put it like that. Like, that's the best part. I wish I was in Onnit's secret field. Okay, but I wish I was in Onnit's secret field and Onnit's testing group, so I would be able to just boo! The ultimate guiding star is here. Guiding star aura. Where is the guiding star? It's in that field, but I don't see it. I think it has to be like high quality. I'm gonna try high quality. Now the guiding star is not here. Where is it? Oh, I thought the guiding star was here. I would be happy. A magic bean. Sorry for the lag, guys. Elf cap, I keep getting those. And oil, which I actually I don't have any. I haven't had any in a long time. So Daisy, there used to be leaves around these, and they didn't have those spiky things in it, like, and then now they do. So now that's an insane flower. Now they made it into an insane flower. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go sell my pollen to my hive. How much conversion rate do I have? I have a lot of convert rate. Wow. How do you get times to convert rate? I don't want to get times to convert rate. Like, yeah. Oh, I see that. I see the 1.25 times conversion rate. Okay, so yes, noobs here. Yes, they get to be along with the ride. They get to be along with the pros. Does the computer need any help? It's because I didn't make a video on it, but I killed it. I was able to defeat it, and yeah. And I got the star jelly. I got the new skin thingy, but I'm not wearing it right now. And try to guess what's different about me. What's different about me is I put back on a shirt for my Roblox avatar because it was inappropriate for YouTube. I got a magic bean from the spider. That's like impossible to get. Level 4 snow bear summoned. Go get him. Get the snow bear. No. No. What is wrong with it? Yo, what the heck? Guys, tell me what's wrong with it. Like, whenever I play this game and I spawn it, like, it always just does that. It just throws it. Okay, so the other time my internet was not working, okay? It was like, well, I think last night or 2 nights ago. Yeah, 2 nights ago, I was just playing until my internet went out. So my mom enabled her hotspot. Since it's kind of bad, I decided to glitch out the game and I got Spirit Starter. And I was so happy about that. And now I can get probably billions of honey now. And once I get 1 billion honey, I could probably buy the one and only. Guess what he has? Probably the porcelain depper and the porcelain portal hive. That's the backpack I've been looking for. Yes, I know how to do glitches. Sorry guys for the noise in the background. That's just my water. I'm like a real YouTuber who drinks water all the time. But I drink a lot. Like, I drink water almost all the time. I might go onto my other account. Wait, what? So I might go onto my alt account where I have like a lot of stuff since I entered a lot of codes in that account before. Well, it was yesterday when I entered all those codes. Sprout. Okay, that was easy to kill. So, if you're watching this video, here's an idea if you want any ideas for it. Just in case if you need any ideas, you could probably add white extracts. It'll give you all the other extracts, it'll give you 1.25 white pollen each second for each pollen collect for 10 minutes, yeah. And you should add the big jar, a big jar. And whenever you add a big jar, it'll give you about 1.5 1.5 red, blue, and white pollen for like about what 15 minutes. So that's an improved time. Yeah, those are if you ever add them, please let me know in my comments. Because I might not play Bee Swarm Simulator for a while on my YouTube channel. I always show everyone about it. I'm gonna ask people to summon a Windy Bee. Once I tried donating to the Wind Shrine, I was able to donate something, but it said error, player does not have 35 bees reporting to on it or something like that. And it was also on my dad's computer. So it was on my dad's laptop. It's very bad. Now can somebody summon a Windy Bee? I need somebody to summon a Windy Bee. Windy Bees are the best. I kind of like to kill them because they give you rewards. So look, here's an example how I tried doing it. So I just flew to the Wind Shrine. Somebody donated to the Wind Shrine? When you donate 15 cloud vials to the Wind Shrine, it'll be like you call the Windy Bee, but it calls back to you, and then you get a free Windy Bee egg. That's the coolest part about the Wind Shrine. You can get a free Windy Bee egg. Sunfire Field boost. I mean, wait, I have, how much am I have? How much? 28 bees. Oh, I can probably save up. Oh, wait, I can buy another hive slot? Yeah. I'm gonna buy that. Do I have an egg? No, I don't. So now I'm able to hold 29 bees in my hive. So I spent all my honey. I'm not gonna save up for the dipper yet, but wait a second. This is not here before. No way. So I might save up 50,000 honey now to generate a silver star amulet. I need a silver star amulet. Wait, somebody found the. Sorry guys. Somebody found the vicious. I think somebody found the Windy Bee. No! Let me kill this. Give me a chance, please. I'll go there quick. I'm a big nigga on the line. I'm the predator at the gates of Satan. Oh my, I found you, nigga. Don't you run from me, little nigga. I'm a big boy, nigga on the line. I'm the predator. You're really trying to defeat me. Yo, Jesus, I'm dealing a lot of damage. But I am not dealing as much damage as YouTubers. Wow, he's actually crazy right now. I bet he's mad right now. Yeah, this thing's mad. Let's go. Got 7 stingers from the vicious bee. Yo, somebody's a pollinator. $13 hours, 1, 2. 11 until 11. Wait. 1, 2, that's 13. Yeah, until 11 I can plant another special sprout for the day. Earlier I planted another one. I don't have any footage of it, so I'm sad that I couldn't show you guys, but Blackbeard's title. If that's a code, I'd be happy. Okay, let's see. Black Bears title. Blackbeard. Nope. Okay. Look how much I need somebody if somebody friends me, that would be grateful to me. It's because wait, so that means there's more quests? There's more quests for Wait, let me go see Spirit Bear real quick. Spirit Bear doesn't have a Christmas quest, it seems like. Who else has one? Stickbug does. Anybody know codes for a translator? I want to get a translator kind of bad. I rather want the gifted Bucklebee quest or the gifted Riley Bee quest or the Stickbug. And I need some glue. So I need a gummy sprout too. Okay, only one gingerbread bear. I hope I get two. And I need somebody to help me with the quest. I need to feed my bees a lot of traits. So I'm gonna do it. I do this like a normal person, where they just spend all their honey until they get to the lowest one they ever had in their world. I did buy a hive slot, so don't be like, oh no, you bought a hive slot. Freddy, you accidentally bought a hive slot. It's fine. Am I done with that? No, I need like about, what 294 more treats, and then I'm done. These 3 bees to level 9. That'll never happen. Well, that will happen one time. When I'm a freaking pro. About 1,000. Wait. Wait. Saving up my gumdrops, so if you guys would friend me and use your gumdrops for me to get the Hotshot Goo badge, that would be very grateful to me, and I would probably give you a shout out. Sometimes I forget to record YouTube videos for the day. That one time where I posted for a week, that was now. I am very sorry, but guys, hope you had a great day. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow later. Goodbye.